Students, let's do this activity together. You know a sentence has two parts. One is subject and another one is predicate. For this activity, I have underlined half part of the sentence. You have to tell me whether the underlined part is a subject or a predicate. And we have to write down S for subject and P for predicate. For example, the sentence is Sarah skipped along the road to school. You have to ask question to yourself, who skipped along the road to school? Sarah. So Sarah is a subject here. But the underlined part is skipped along the road to school. So this part is predicate. Skipped word. Beta, please focus on word skipped. Skipped is an action word. So the verb is a part of a predicate. So we will write down P here. Let's discuss the first sentence. The runner stopped to take a sip of water. Again, you have to ask question, who stopped to take a sip of water? The runner. And the underlined part is the runner. So answer for this sentence is S, subject. The runner is the subject. So we will write down S here. Second sentence is, the turtle beat the hare at the race. Again ask a question, who beat the hare at the race? The turtle. And the underlined part is the turtle. The turtle is the subject. So we will write down S here. Third sentence is, the dog chased after the tennis ball. Who chased after the tennis ball? The dog. But the underlined part of the sentence is chased after the tennis ball. So this part is predicate. Chased. Chased is a part of predicate because chased is an action word. Predicate always contains a verb. So we will write down P here. Fourth is, the fireflies danced all summer night. And underlined part is danced all summer night. Now tell me the answer. It's subject or predicate? It's beginning with danced all summer night. Yes, you are right. It is predicate. So we will write down P here. Golf carts are fun to drive. And underlined part is are fun to drive. Tell me it's subject or predicate. Who are fun to drive? What are fun to drive? Golf carts are fun to drive. But underlined part is are fun to drive. And are fun to drive, this is predicate. So we will write down P here because are word is here and are is the part of a predicate. Sixth is, the cook did not notice when the rat fell in the soup. And the underlined part is the cook. Now tell me answer. It's subject or a predicate? Correct. We will write down S here. Seventh, the bear ate all the snacks in the car. And the underlined part is ate all the snacks in the car. Now tell me it's subject or a predicate? It's predicate. So we will write down P here. Eighth, none of the children slept during nap time. And underlined part is none of the children. So it's subject or predicate? It's subject. So we will write down S here. Ninth is, the taxi driver stopped suddenly. Who stopped suddenly? The taxi driver. Taxi driver is the subject and underlined part is the taxi driver. So we will write down S here. Last sentence is, her younger brother began to cry. Who began to cry? Her younger brother. And underlined part is her younger brother. So we will write down S here.